Are you looking for yield on your investment? Yield is hard to find at the moment with interest rates climbing faster than they have in years and with inflation at 9%. As interest rates have gone up, stocks have gone down. Market Watch lists the U.S. dollar, corporate credit bonds, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ 100, and oil as the least risky investments right now. None of those investments will outpace 9% inflation. So you're losing money if you're invested in any of those. Where can you find yield? We can give it to you by investing in apartment buildings with us. We give you a percent per year depending on the investment, a 2x equity multiple on your money within 3 to 5 years, and a tax savings via bonus depreciation on the apartment building that you invest in. Our returns average out to around 20% per year. Ask us how you can invest in our next multifamily investment. Book an appointment with us to find out more about investing in multifamily apartment buildings at calendly.com/Waldorf Capital Ventures.